Hi there. Today's topic is matrix multiplication by a scalar. For example, the concept is given A equals to this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's multiply this with a scalar. Like if we have to find 3A, then how can we find? We have to multiply. This is a scalar value, and we have to multiply this scalar with each element. Like it will be 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3. Similarly, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 3 into 6, 3 into 7, 3 into 8, 3 into 9, and we will get the results like it's a 3 into 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27, and 3A will be this. Thank you very much.